Good day, good day, good day, good day. You're plugged in right now with Raman Impression. So, this is Lightroom, a color grading app. It is one of the editing apps that has been around for a long period of time from the company called Adobe. So, Lightroom, this is the one for mobile. We have the one for PC also. So, this is the one for mobile, as in the one that works for mobile phones generally. So we shall be editing this picture. This picture was shot on a Fuji film camera. It was shot on a Fuji film camera, not a mobile phone, by Amazing Clef. So though I did some touch up on this picture, I changed the sky. I added clouds to it, you understand? So we shall be working on this. So color grading is just like a post editing stuff, understand? That just color grading just assists us in changing colors and making our picture look more natural or vibrant or more catching to look. Or if you want to change the way or the mood our picture looks, we want to change it, give it this moody look, color grading assists us in doing that. So we shall be learning color grading with our Lightroom app, one of the best color grading app on this planet for now. So the first thing is I shall be introducing these things that we're having here. So we have what? We have auto. Auto is just meant for balancing the light. You see, as I clicked on auto, you see that the light was balancing. This is the before, this is after. At times I use auto and at times I don't, but I'm going to use in this case just to balance the light. See, everything looks natural, more natural like this. Where I have overexposed light has been reduced, you understand? So then we move to light. Light is the second part of the slide. Then we have on this slide we have this exposure. You can reduce it if you want your light to reduce or increase it a bit. So I will be increasing my exposure by 0.0 plus, yes, I'm going to use plus 0.7. yes, that is okay. Plus 0.7 so that would be my exposure. Then light and contrast is used in making the picture soft, as in if I should reduce this contrast to give it off color like this S-log. Those that used to use PC to edit they will know what S-log means. This is giving it this S-log look from direct from the camera, this S-log look, but I'm not going to use that. So you're also going to increase the contrast a bit by +3, then highlight a bit by +3. That is it. Then highlight is in charge of blues, your sky. See, I should increase the highlight. See, I'm having an overexposed picture, but if I should reduce the highlight, see that my blues are coming out rapidly. Then shadows work for shadows. Where you have shadows, you see, to brighten, just take a look at this place. So when I add shadows here, I increase the shadows, then it helped me. You see, you can see what is happening here. See, as I increase the shadows, anyway, I'm having shadows in my picture to just give it small light automatically. So I'm not going to use too much of them. I'm going to use 43 for it. No, I'm going to use 67. That is okay. Then move for whites. Whites work for whites. Then blacks work for black. And reduce my black. Then we move to the second slide where we have the colors. Then temperature is just for temperature. If you want to adjust the temperature, give it this look or this look, you can return this here. It is just your choice. Just playing with it. That is what Lightroom is all about. Just playing with this slide, moving it left and right, and your imagination, what you are thinking is what you are going to input in your Lightroom, you understand? Then tints to work for colors. If I want to give you this purple tint or greenish tint, you understand? You just leave it here. Then vibrance, bringing out your colors. That's what vibrance is, bringing out your colors majorly. See, all my colors are shouting, you understand? But I don't want too much of it. Though I'm a color person, I don't want too much of it. Then saturation will make your color look solid, you understand? Give it this deep printing of your colors. You understand? That's what saturation works for. Then after all that, we have on our slide, we have what we call mix here. Mix is the most amazing thing about, as in the amazing stuff I love about Lightroom. This mix, you can be in charge of each color yourself. Take for example now, if If I'm to move this red slider, I see that anywhere I have red on my image, it is going to reflect. That's for the hue. If I'm reducing it, you see that my red has turned into pink, as we have on the slider. If I'm increasing it, has turned into orange. You see, as you can see. So I'm not going to reduce, I'm just going to leave it on this side. Then saturation is how deep. I told you that it solidifies color. How deep is what saturation works for. It solidifies the color. So, and luminance, how bright you want the color to be. You see, I can make it dark like this, and I can make it light like this. That is what saturation works for. Then we have the orange. Orange is in charge of our skin color. Orange works majorly for the skin color. If you want the person to be dark, just reduce the saturation of the orange, see, or just play with the orange majorly. So orange works for skin color. I'm not going to do too much on the skin color. Then luminance, just add a little bit brightness on the skin color. Then yellow works for skin color, and any yellow thing, any yellow objects around your image, you understand? So that's so this red, orange and yellow works on skin color, but orange does the skin color work majorly, but the rest are just like attachments or assistants for it, you understand? Then green works for green. Then this other blue works for the sea. As you can see that the color of the sea is changing, and this other blue, this navy blue, this deep blue works for the sky. As you can see, can turn it off and turn it on, and it also works for the sea too. Then I can change it from this side, from the U side. I can change it from the U side. Then purple works for purple. Then pink works for pink, and that is all on this color palette. Then move to the effects. Then effects for texture, if you want your picture to stand out, then clarity for it to be more clear. Then haze does one funny thing. It gives you this dusty look, you understand? That's what haze works. Then vignette is just for you, as in it does this olden days camera stuff, like focusing on your image. As you can see, it's giving me this dark, as if I'm looking through a telescope. It's giving me this dark effect. Or if I want the white one, it's even giving me the same, but I'm not going to use vignette. But if you can use it if it is necessary for your image, you understand? So let me just reduce the vignette to 0. Then we move to midpoint and highlight those ones too. Then green is very, very interesting. If you are an aesthetic type, as in an aesthetic person that love aesthetic colors or filmmaking colors, you know, those film 70s vintage color, you can use green. So green will just give your images dots look. You can see. If I should increase my, you can see what I'm doing. You can see what it did here. Just give me this dots look. You understand? So that is what green is for. Then move to the next slide, where we have details. Details is just for sharpening. I make my image to be sharp. You have details, you have marking. Then noise reduction, once you've done or you've overdo on your color palette, noise reduction will help you to reduce the as in how flashy or how shouty the image is. That's what noise reduction works for, or how noisy it is. And both noise reduction and color noise reduction too, it helps you in balancing the, as in how noisy or how vibrant the color is. If it is too much, color noise reduction will help you in reducing. Then smoothness for smoothing, of course. Then we have optics. I don't use that. Then geometry, I don't use that, because I am using the free version of Lightroom. And after that, after taking all those things in consideration, then preset. I'm going to teach you about preset later. I'll teach you how to export preset and import preset. So this is how Lightroom is being used. You understand? Then there's another advanced topic that I didn't talk about, is the curves. Curves will be another topic on its own. So curves assist us in, balancing colors too, and correcting some colors. Curves are very, very important too, because they bring out colors. Then I didn't talk about this grading too, because there's a reason this is advanced. But what you just need to know for now, so grading to assist in color correction, you can see that it has been written the shadows. So that one works on shadows. Then midtones work on midtones. Then highlights works on highlights. So it's just what you want on your image. So this is just the introduction for Lightroom. This is the introduction for Lightroom. The next topic will just be on how to apply presets, because I will be granting free presets in this course. I'll be granting you guys free presets, so I will teach you how to apply, and not just application, how to use the presets you have, you understand? Because there are some situations that, okay, not all preset works for each image, but even if you have the one that does not work for it, try as much as possible to blend it with the idea you have. Just try as much as possible to blend it to the taste or what you imagine the image will look like. So thank you very much and enjoy.